Good afternoon, children. Ready for today's EVS class? Okay. Do you remember what we learnt in last class? We learnt playthings, right? Shall we recall playthings and go to a new interesting topic today? What is this? This is a kite. This is a kite. This is a kite. What is this? This is a balloon. This is a balloon. This is a balloon. What is this? This is a basketball. This is a basketball. This is a basketball. This is a tube to play in the water for small children. This is a tube. This is a tube. What is this? This is a swing. This is a swing. This is a swing. What is this? This is Ludo. It's a new name for you. I hope you all have learned. This is Ludo. This is Ludo. This is Ludo. What is this? This is a slide. This is a slide. This is a slide. This is a slide. What is this? This is a doll. This is a doll. This is a doll. What is this? This is a bat. This is a bat. This is a bat. What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. This is a ball. And what is this? This is a top. This is a top. This is a top. What is this? This is sand castle. This is sand castle. This is sand castle. What is this? This is seesaw. This is seesaw. This is seesaw. What is this? This is a drum. This is a drum. This is a drum. What is this? This is a whistle. This is a whistle. This is a whistle. And the last one, it is a toy. Toy. This is a toy. This is a toy. This is a toy. Okay, shall we go to the next topic? Today we are going to learn about means of transport. Today we are going to learn about transport. Okay, children, we learn the vehicle's name. If we need to move from one place to another, if it is a small distance, we can go by walk. If it is a little longer distance, we need some vehicles to move, right? What all vehicles you know, like cycle or scooter, bike. We need some means of transport. We are going to learn what are the means of transport. Today we have 12. Okay, shall we go to the first one? What do you see? Yeah, what is the name of this? How many of you know? This is a ship. This is a ship. Okay, to travel in water, to go to faraway places, you can travel in ship. Okay, for example, if you have to travel from India to the neighboring country, which is Sri Lanka, there are no roads. Okay, to travel by the sea, you need to travel by the ship. You can travel by the ship. Okay, shall we go to the next one? What is this? You all have seen, you all have learnt in LKG. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Okay, we learnt that to move from one place, one country to another, where there are no roads, you can go by ship, right? Ship, the cost is less, but it will take more time. If you need to travel fast, you can go by an aeroplane. It will go very fast and you can reach the place very soon, but it will be very costly. Okay, so this is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? Are you able to see? This is a lorry. This is a lorry. This is a lorry. You would have seen lorries, right? They carry so many things from one place to another to transport, or in companies industries, factories, they manufacture so many things, right? So from the place of manufacture to the place where they sell it to the shop, they transport in lorries. This is a lorry. This is a lorry. What is this? Can you see? All of you have seen this. I hope all of you have traveled in this, right? To go from Srivaikundam to Tirunelveli or to Tuticorin, you can go by bus. This is a bus. Even to long distances like Chennai, Kanyakumari, you can go in bus. Okay, this is a bus. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? This is a train. How many of you have traveled by train? We have a railway station nearby. I hope you all have seen a train. Okay, you all like to watch the train passing by, and some of you will have enjoyed the train ride. Okay, and some of you will have toy train in your house. This is a train. It is long. So many people can travel at the same time, right? In a bus only around 40 to 50 people can travel, but in a train they have so many compartments, right? So if you are going to long distances like Chennai or to other states or to far away states like Delhi, you can go in train. So many people travel in the train. This is a train. Shall we go to the next one? How many of you have seen this? Some of you will have this at your home. This is a car. At least a toy car you all will have in your house. This is a car. How many people can travel in a car? 4 to 5 people can travel in a car. Okay, this is a car. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? You all would have seen this. This is a scooter. How many wheels the scooter has? The scooter has got 2 wheels. Okay, how many people can ride in a scooter? Only 2 grown-ups. 2 adults can drive in a scooter, and 1 small child can go along with them. So this is a scooter. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? This is a van. You all would have seen van. You would have seen your big annas and akkas going to school in school van, right? This is a van. This is little smaller than a bus and bigger than a car. Smaller than a bus. This is a van. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? All of you have seen this. How many wheels does this have? It has got 3 wheels. It is usually yellow in color in the bottom, and it has a black covering on the top. What is this? This is an auto rickshaw. You would have called this as auto. Okay, this is an auto rickshaw. Say with me, auto rickshaw. How many people can travel? 3 people. 3 grown-ups can travel comfortably in an auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. Say auto rickshaw. Rickshaw is a new name for you. What is the name of this vehicle? This is auto rickshaw. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? You all would have seen this. This is a motorcycle. It has got 2 wheels. How many people can travel in this? 2 people can travel in this. Some of you will go to school or go to churches or your temples in motorcycle. Most of your fathers will have motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Shall we go to the next one? How many of you have seen this? This is a motorcycle. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? You all would have seen this. This is a motorcycle. 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 Shall we go to the next one? How many of you have seen this? Yes, all of us have seen this, but it is becoming very rare now. Previously, all the houses will have this, right? This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. How many of you have seen? How many of you have had a ride in the bicycle? It has got two wheels. One person rides and only one person can sit behind in the carrier. Okay, this is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. Shall we go to the last one? What is this? You can see two ox pulling something, pulling a cart. Okay, this is a bullock cart. This is a bullock cart. Okay, bullock cart. Previous days they used to travel in bullock cart, but it is very rare to see now. Even in some villages they use bullock cart to travel. This is a bullock cart. This is a bullock cart. This is a bullock cart. So we have learnt 12 means of transport. Through all these vehicles we can go from one place to another. This is in page number 63 in your book. I want you to learn the names of all the means of transport. Okay, book exercise we'll do in the next class. Okay children, bye, thank you, have a nice day.